What's up, everybody? Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good morning and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. Today we're only covering Bitcoin and tomorrow I'll cover Ethereum again. But I felt like it was in these market circumstances where not a lot is happening. I felt like it's a little bit too much to cover both of them every day. But if you want that, let me know down in the comments and I can definitely do that. But let's get right into it. So yeah, I mean Bitcoin is pretty bearish right now. So I have to invalidate my own analysis. What I always said, I'm going to be 100% honest about that, is that I expected us to kind of stay in this in this area between ultimately 17,000 and 16,600, and then at some point, because I expected the dollar strength index to drop down more or at least quicker than what we're doing right now, I expected the bullish breakout, but with all the new fear instilled into the markets and everything that happened with FTX and other major research in the last 2 days, and just in general the bear market, it's not happening, and you can definitely see some bearish momentum right now. So I also expect us to drop down. Now, how far we are going to drop down, that we will discuss in this video. As you can see, volume has actually dropped down, even though we're trending a little bit more now, but I do expect volume to kind of stabilize, maybe even go up a little bit today and then drop down in the weekend again. As I said, dollar strength index, for everybody who doesn't know, but I think most of you know, this is negatively correlated with Bitcoin. All right, so this is going down, but you can definitely see that there's some sort of a slowdown. I mean, you can kind of see this slope right here, and then you can also see that this is going up a little bit. So not too great, because we would like this to continue dropping down, because that would mean that there would be some more bullish momentum for Bitcoin, but that's not coming. So apart from that, if we then take a look at the technicals, because now we know that the fundamentals are well, at least more bearish than bullish. I mean, we can discuss how bearish, but still. So right now what you can see is that already last night we were held by 16,500. And still this trend line, which technically we're still above since we haven't closed with this candle yet. But unless with the next candle we actually get all the way up to 16,700, I don't think we will. And we might find some support here still at 16,500, but I think it's more likely that we'll drop down to our next support level, which is right here at around 16,300. I could try to draw it out for you really quickly. It's practically this level. It's not that big of a level. I think we'll drop down there, and then obviously we kind of have to discuss how strong these bearish fundamentals are. And I have to be honest, I don't think they're that strong that we will instantly drop down below this level and drop down to 16,000. But it's definitely a chance, because I mean now we have 100% set in some sort of a bearish market structure. So we're dropping down there. I think we're going to hold that. I don't expect a lot of volatility. I actually do think we'll hold this for the weekend, and then after the weekend we'll get a nice, the first big move of the new year again, and then we'll see again. But for now, I can really only talk about the rest of this weekend, the weekend in which I expect us to drop down, but I don't expect 16,300 to break as a support. And the main thing is, I mean, we're just waiting for a lower low off of the dollar strength index, or we're waiting. I mean, beginning of February we have federal or more speeches and news from the Federal Reserve. That might be bullish, but until that time, I mean, I can barely see any bullish fundamentals. So next times will be tough. But I will definitely keep you updated if there's anything to laugh about, or if there's anything to be happy about. But for now, this is my take on Bitcoin, my adjustment of my analysis. So if you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.